Hi everyone and welcome back to Still Las Vegas. Today we are bringing you another room tour video, and this time we are staying in New York, New York. We have booked a Soho King View Room, which is a king room with a view of the Las Vegas Strip. And we are in room 2272, which is the 22nd floor, served by the Century elevators, but we are actually in the Chrysler Tower. So this is a map of the hotel here. It's quite a strange shaped building. We are here and that is the Chrysler Tower, and we do have a view of the Las Vegas Strip, so looking forward to showing you that. But first of all, let's have a look at the room. So just as you come in the door here, you have the bathroom to the right hand side, so we'll have a look at that first of all. So you have some nice artwork there, and you have a large mirror with some good lighting just above the sink here, and you do get the MGM Resorts products. So we've got a hand wash and a body lotion there, so quite a nice sink area, lots of room to store your products there as well. And you've got the toilet, you've got some towels just above there, and then you have a tub with a shower as well, which is very handy. So you've got your shower curtain there to the side and the shower head. I have turned that on and the water pressure looks really good on that. You also get some products here, so you've got a body wash and a shampoo as well, so it's great to have that included in the room. So we'll now head through to the main part of the room. So as you come out the bathroom, you can see there is a full length mirror there, there's some hooks for storage, and there's some room to store your cases, but there is also a rack for that here as well. This is the main part of the room, so you can see the king size beds and you can start to get a feel for the theme of this room. It has a New York urban street theme with lots of art. You've got the nice brick effect wallpaper there behind the bed, and then you have this wall with some lovely street art. It does look very New York, very themed, it's really nice, and the carpet goes very well with this as well. You'll also see that you have this lovely red sofa here. It's a nice sitting area with the light above, and we'll just have a closer look at the bed area. So you've got your two bedside lamps there, which are really nice. This room has very recently been remodelled, so everything in here is quite new, which is really nice. You've got your bedside tables here, which have a little shelf just below for storage, and also you have built into the side of the bed a USB and a USB-C port, as well as two outlets and your light switch for the bedside light. The bed itself has this lovely bright yellow leather effect headboard, and at the other side there you can see bedside table just the same with a shelf below, and of course you've got your light there as well. So really nice design. I think it looks very good and it's definitely very fitting with the New York theme. The bed faces onto a large screen TV, and it also has this large storage unit all around the TV, which is great. Plenty of storage in the room. So you've got a lovely big mirror here, and just below that you've got an area where you have your ice bucket and glasses. There's also this cupboard which can be used for a fridge, but the fridge is an upcharge per night and we're not going to be adding that on for this stay, but you can do that if you want to. There are two drawers as well for storage on this side. You have a bench for seating just below the TV there, and then at the other side you have a little closet. I'll just show you inside there. They do give you 4 hangers, and that's a great place for any long items, long dresses. You do also get an ironing board and an iron, which is great to have that included in the room, as sometimes you do have to ask for that, so it's good that it's there. There's also the shelves here, so quite large size shelves, and also a couple of drawers which are also very good size. You've got your safe here, and there's also this other hanging area where you get another 4 hangers, which is great for any shirts or tops. And then just at the very bottom there is a shelf, perfect for storing shoes. Now just to the side of that you've got a standing lamp, and then you've got the window area where we have some chairs. So 2 chairs here and a table, which is great for enjoying any drinks or room service, or just to sit and enjoy the view. So the view is probably the best part about this room, so I'll show you that now. This is, as I say, the Soho King View Room, which means it does have a strip view. So if you want to be guaranteed a view of the strip, then you should book that. So I'll just let you have a look. You can see the MGM Grand directly opposite opposite us here, and you've got all of the shops just below, and these all light up at night, so that'll be great to see, and I will insert some clips of the nighttime view in this video. You can also see the Big Apple coaster here, which wraps around the New York hotel building, so it's great to be able to see that and watch that from the room. Looking over to the other side, you can see the Hard Rock Cafe, and you can see some of the buildings there, but then it is cut off by this building here, so you can't see the entire strip, but it is a very good view, and I think it'll be even nicer at night time. I've just inserted some clips of the nighttime view just now for you to have a look at. So overall, I really am impressed with this room here at New York. It is the first time we've ever stayed in this hotel. It's a moderate priced hotel on the Las Vegas Strip, and I really think for the cost it is pretty good, especially with the room being recently renovated. Everything looks new and fresh. I love the amount of storage included in the room as well, and the hotel also has a great location on the Strip. It is quite central. There's a lot of things to do nearby and also in the hotel itself. So really impressed with that. Happy to be staying here. The only thing that we found is when we arrived, the carpet in the room wasn't the cleanest. There were some crumbs and hairs on the carpet, but it wasn't really enough to raise as a complaint. It could easily be picked up, and that's the only thing. And I guess it just depends on the room that you get, what day it is, who's cleaned the room. It's not really something that you can judge the hotel on really, but I just thought I would mention that because it's not something that we've noticed in any of the other rooms that we've stayed in on the Las Vegas Strip so far. But it hasn't put us off being here, and it wouldn't put us off coming back again. It is a great hotel and a really lovely room. So I hope you've enjoyed watching this room tour video today. If you have, please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as we have lots of room tours from Las Vegas, as well as other videos all about Vegas, things to do, places to go. So make sure you're subscribed for all of that. Thank you so much for watching today, and we'll see you in the next one.